Howdy, or hola, from Puerto Morelos, Mexico. I am outside of El Pirata. There it is, El Pirata, where I just took a cooking class to learn how to make paella. It's a traditional Spanish or Mexican food with rice and at least 28 ingredients, including sausage and chicken and shrimp and calamari and clams and crab and all kinds of things, and it was delicious.
There was a big war in Spain, so people were really poor about it. Like in all the wars, people get really poor, so they didn't have enough food to eat. So the rice was very cheap. So they used to put everything, that animal that they hunt, with rice. And then at the end of the week, all the leftovers from the week, they put it together and they cook it for all the family, and that's where the paella gets born. These are ribs, pork ribs, that we're gonna use. I cut it this size, so it's perfect with the paella, okay? Now we're gonna put all the meat together. So we're gonna put the ribs, the chorizo. This is a chorizo that is originally from Spain. You can find it in Chedraui or in any supermarket. Spain chorizo, Spanish chorizo, and these are the winnings that we're gonna use. They are smoked, okay? So we can put all together the three because it's beef, so it doesn't matter, okay?
I really enjoyed taking this paella class. I actually don't like seafood, and I thoroughly enjoyed this class. It was so nice to spend the afternoon with my friend and learn some new things. Our teacher is also the owner of the restaurant, and she was very good at explaining lots of different details, like where the food comes from and the traditions that are with it as well. Here's my friend Carmen, who went with me to the class, and we just had so much fun. And like I said, our instructor, the owner of the shop, she showed us every step of the way and made me realize that it takes a lot of work to make the paella, and I will probably just go and buy some from her restaurant if I ever want some again.
And you will see it in your recipe anyway, but I use onion, garlic, leek, and celery. The fish, the bones of the fish. I use crab, that in Mexico we call jaiba.
As part of the class, she will email you a copy of the recipe so that if you want to gather all 30 ingredients, you can do so at home and make it yourself. Okay, probably not the time to tell people that I don't actually like food. Let's try some rice. That was good. Has little smokies. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and have a super awesome day. And remember, to really explore, you've got to use paper maps.